Fewer Americans are on the road during the COVID-19 pandemic, but the number of deadly accidents is way up. This year, the National Safety Council says there has been a 20% spike in deaths across the country.
The more minor crashes, those are actually decreasing, which is good, but we need to make sure that we're paying attention because the fatal crashes and the serious injury crashes are not down.
Deadly car crashes increased in the first 6 months of 2020 in Missouri by 18%, Arkansas by 21%, Rhode Island by 31%, District of Columbia by 42%, Connecticut by 44%, and Vermont by a whopping 91%. Police are reporting more cases of reckless driving and speeding, lower rate of seatbelt use, increased drug and alcohol use, and texting while driving.
When you have to go to the waiting room and tell a family that you did everything you could to save their child, but you couldn't. It breaks your heart because it could have been prevented.
Pediatric surgeon Dr. Rebecca Brown heads up a program called Buckle Up for Life in partnership with Toyota. It provides free car seats and hands-on installation training for parents.
Buckle Up for Life began right here at Cincinnati Children's Hospital. Over the past 10 years, it's expanded into 49 states and helped more than 130,000 families.
Wouldn't it be awesome if because of this relationship with Toyota and Cincinnati Children's, that we were actually able to save like a whole generation of children?
While most teens are in virtual school, many are on the roads in the afternoon hours, facing volumes of traffic they're not used to. So scientists at the Toyota Safety Research Center in Ann Arbor, Michigan, are studying teen drivers' behaviors, and they're developing new methods to understand how today's younger drivers handle themselves on the busy roads.
Ooh, I missed that completely.
Toyota has also developed programs to help older adults as well.
With AARP, we have a program where it's ongoing driver training for seniors, make sure they still understand the rules of the road.
With more traffic expected during the holiday season and the inevitable inclement weather, it's more important than ever that we all do our part to make sure the roads are safe for all. This is Hillary Lane.